Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export your video in VN Video Editor. So if you want to export a high quality videos from VN without losing clarity, in this tutorial I'll show you the best export settings for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. So on today's video, you will learn how you can export video with best resolution and frame rate, bitrate settings to balance the quality and file size, and how to avoid blurry or pixelated export. So this is how you are going to do it. Just open your project in VN. So here I'm already on the VN apps. Let's say I want to export those videos right here. Okay, so this is the video that I want to export. What you need to do first is just tap on this arrow up at the top right corner to open the export settings window on VN, and you'll see this options: resolution, FPS, and average bitrate. So what you need to do is just set it like this. So for the resolution, you can just choose the highest or the highest quality, which is on my device is 1080p. If your device supported, you can choose between 2K or 4K for best quality. And for the FPS or frame rate, you can set it between 30 or 60 for smoother playback. And for the bitrate, you can set it between 16 to 50 megabyte per seconds. So here you can just adjust the sliders like this to how you liked it, and you can also see that the estimated file size will be changed accordingly. And for the format, it will be in MB4, the most compatible format. And if you are done with the export, you can just tap on the export button in here, and after it's done, you can just wait for the process to complete. And after it's done, your video will be saved in your gallery or camera roll, and you can just easily share it to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or other platforms. And you need to remember that you need to always preview before exporting to avoid mistakes on your edits. And the higher the bitrate, the better quality it is. Don't forget that 60 fps is great for smooth motion, but 30 fps is the standard. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the things. Bye.